we go. WilltheThrill's box of 11/12 Panini Limited. Tuesday, Wednesday, I was out of here shortly after 12. Last night I was here till just after 12:30. Go figure. All right, we've got a base card, number to 299, Jay Bomeister. We got a base card to 299, Matt Duchene. Base card number to 299, Dale Hunter. We've got a Phenoms rookie auto, number to 299, Jake Gardner. Team Trademarks jersey, number to 99, Matt Duchene. We've got a Team Trademarks jersey prime, number 22/25, Luke Shen. We've got a Crease Cleaners silver, number to 49, Pecorine. And a Stanley Cup winners, number to 199, Scott Gomez. So here we go, good sir.